DIY projects on some i3s and just door maintenance. You'd think it'd be a Tesla we're working on for problems with the doors, but it's actually the doors on the i3 like to come loose. So we've got a torch socket and fix them so your door handle doesn't pull off. So here's the problem. This gets loose. And right in there is the culprit. After being tightened, it's much, much tighter. How interesting. So if you have an i3 and the door piece misbehaves, then there's a little tiny cover you pop off, which is right there. You pop that off, you get a E4 1/4-inch drive Torx. Give it a couple turns and then it'll tighten the whole door handle down. And we just did this i3 here, and we're gonna go over here and do this other i3, which is right there and also suffering from the same problem. All right, so about 10 turns to get that one tight, and let's see what now that's working. Rock solid now.
Nice.
Right, so take this piece off. E4 Torx socket and a 1/4-inch drive, and then just tighten it till snug. This is only taking 3 or 4, not a lot of torque on it. Then put this piece back. There you go.